Welcome, today I am with Redmi Buds 3 Pro and I want to show you how you can connect them to your iPhone. So at the first you have to go for the settings on your iPhone, go for the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on this green switcher, make it green from the gray, and then open the case of your buds and click and hold this button for 2 seconds until this indicator starts blinking like that. Right now you can read this. There it is, the Redmi Buds 3 Pro and the other devices, but if you don't have them here, just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth and then tap on them once. Now just be patient and we have to wait a little bit, and there it is. Right now we are connected. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.